This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a finance job at Google. We will cover the essential steps, from understanding the roles available to acing your interviews. You'll learn how to prepare your application, what skills are most valued, and how to navigate the hiring process. This guide aims to provide clear, actionable advice to help you achieve your career goals at Google. Google seeks finance professionals with robust analytical capabilities. You should demonstrate expertise in financial modeling, data analysis, and relevant software. Strong communication skills are also key, as you'll collaborate across various teams. A firm grasp of accounting principles and a proactive approach to problem solving will set you apart. Focus on developing these core competencies. When applying, ensure your resume clearly showcases your finance experience and aligns with the job description. Prepare for a multi-stage interview process, including behavioral and technical questions. Be ready to discuss your past projects, how you handle challenges, and why you are passionate about Google. Practice articulating your thoughts clearly and concisely. To boost your chances, network with Google employees to understand the culture and roles better. Stay updated on industry trends and new financial technologies. During interviews, convey your enthusiasm for Google's mission and values. Remember to send a thoughtful thank you note after each interview. Persistence and preparation are your best allies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.